Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Khairi bin Muhammad. My matric number 01DPUF1064. I am presented for the air conditioning and refrigeration control system. Okay, I am presented 2.2.1 function and operational method for four-way valve. Okay, function. A four-way valve is like a traffic crop for fluid like air or oil in machine. It has four opening and can make the fluid go in different direction or stop it all together. Okay, next operational. 1. Neutral position. When nothing is happening, the valve is in a neutral position. It stops the fluid from going anywhere. 2. Directional control. When you want the fluid to move, you move the valve. This opens a part for the fluid to go in a specific direction, like switching a train track. Okay, next. Number 3, flow regulation. How fast the fluid moves depends on how much you open or close the valve. It's like controlling the speed of water from a faucet. Number 4, feedback and control. In fencing systems, there are gadgets that help the valve do its job better by keeping track of things. It's like having a smart assistant for the valve. I just want to say to Sir Nazrin, thank you, sir.